Hello students, welcome to Studies Math. Today we are going to discuss about class 10 quadratic equations exercise 4.2 question number 1.
Question number 1. Find the root of the following quadratic equations by factorization. First one, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now, just compare with the general expression of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then compare this to equation. The value of a is equal to 1. Then b is equal to negative 3. C is equal to negative 10. If a is 1, it's pretty easy. So we can use splitting middle term concept. First part, the product of a and c, and the sum value is equal to sum of two number is equal to b. So here a and c, so 1 times of minus 10 is equal to minus 10. The product of two number, that is equal to minus 10. The same way, the sum of these two number is equal to b, that is minus 3. So which option is possible? So first we decide the 10 possibility. So 1 10 is a pair and 2 5, only two options. So 1 10 means it is not possible. Then 2 and 5, yeah, it is possible to get 3. We need a minus 3, so minus 5 and positive 2. So minus 5 times 2, that is equal to minus 10, and minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. If a equal to 1, we can able to write directly. So x minus 5 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the factor. Then the value of x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. So the roots are 5 comma minus 2. Question number 2. So 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So now compare with the general expression. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Then c value is minus 6. So then using splitting middle term concept, this is product of a and c and the b position. A times c, that is equal to 2 times of minus 6 is minus 12. So what are the options possible? 1 and 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. But the difference is not 1 here also, but 4 and 3 it is possible. So 3 and 4. So we need a positive 1 and also the product value is negative 12. So one number is positive and another one is negative. So minus 3 and plus 1. This question, if a is equal to, a is not is equal to 1, so we move the step by step. So 2x square plus x minus 6 is the question. So now this number is split like minus 3 and plus 4x. So 2x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. So now just take the common. So only the x possibility. X is moving out. So 2x minus 3. So here the 2 is common. You just take it out. So 2 then 2x minus 3. So now the 2x minus 3 is common for both terms. So 2x minus 3 is common. After removing the first part only x and the second term is just 2. So x plus 2. So this is the factor. If you need a x value, it's just equating terms individually. So 2x is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 by 2. Then this part. X plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative 2. So these are the roots. Minus 2 and also positive 3 by 2. Option 3. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now compare with general expression ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of a is root 2, b is 7 and c is 5 root 2. So now we can use a and c, that is equal to root 2 times 5 root 2. So root 2 and root 2 will be just 2. So 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. And the same sum will be 7. So product of two number is 10 and sum of two number is 7. So what are the possibility to get the 10? So 1 times 10. So it is not 2 times 5. Yeah, sum is 7 and the product is 10. So 2 and 5. Then splitting. So root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. The first two term root 2 then x is common. So just take it out. X, then x is moving out 2, then 2 we can able to rewrite root 2 times root 2. So 1 root is moving out, the remaining value is just root 2 plus the 5 is common, then x plus root 2. Again the x plus root 2 is common for both term. So just take it out. X plus root 2 is common, then root 2x plus 5. So this is factor. If you need a values, it's just equating to zeros. X plus root 2 is equal to 0 means value of x equal to minus root 2. Then root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then root 2x equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2. So the roots minus root 2 and minus 5 over root. Option 4. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. And this question, the denominator part is possible. So we need to eliminate the denominator. So what is that? It's 8. So multiplied by 8 for both sides. So now 8 times of 2x square minus 8 times x plus 8 times of 1 by 8, then 8 times of 0. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the required value. Then you just compare with general expression ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, value of a is equal to 16, then b is equal to negative 8 and c is equal to positive 1 using normal splitting Middleton. The product of a and c is equal to 16 times 1, then 16 only, and the sum value is negative 8. So what are the possibility? 4 and 4 is possible, but we need a positive 16 is a product and a negative 8 for sum. So minus 4 and minus 4. 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the first two term 4 and also x is common. So 4x is just take it out. 4x minus 1. Next term you just take it the minus term. 4x and plus 1 will become a minus 1. Then 4x minus 1 is common for both term. Just take it out. So 4x minus 1. Then the remaining part is also the 4x minus 1. Then value of x, so just equating to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x is equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 4. So this part is also the same dicto. Then the roots are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Option 5. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Just compare with the general expression ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of a is equal to 100, b is equal to negative 20, then c is equal to 1. Product of a and c, so 100 times 100 times 1, that is equal to just 100, and the b value is minus 20. So which number is possible? The product is 100, the sum value is 20, negative 20. So 10 and 10, then negative 20, so just placing negative 10. Then 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. We can able to rewrite 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now comparing the first two term, 100x square and minus 10x, the 10x is outside. So 10x is the remaining and minus 1. So we just take minus 1 is outside, minus, so 10x minus 1. So then the 10x minus 1 is common for both. So 10x minus 1 is just take it out. The remaining value is also this term is 10x and just for minus sign, so minus 1. So now the both terms are equal only. So then 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x equal to 1 and the value of x is equal to 1 upon 10. So the roots are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. Thank you.